Okay guys, so this video is just kind of to time myself on how long it takes to pull a wheel off my truck, break the bead down, and replace a valve stem. The valve stems are starting to dry rot and crack. Could have swore I changed those when I put these tires on, but apparently I didn't. So one of my valve stems on the front actually started leaking really bad, and my tire was flat. So I've already done the front, I've done the other side. I'm gonna see how long it takes to do this. So I'll start time now. Go. Wheels in out. Put the knee stand, a little bit of lube on there. A lot of lube on there. Let's see the bead. There we go. I'm showing 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Wheel off the truck, into the tire machine, break the bead, new valve stem in, aired it up to pressure, back on the vehicle in 7.5 minutes. The reason I was curious about this is when my valve stem broke on the front last night, I didn't have my tire machine and stuff bolted down. It was still tucked away in the shed. Garage is a mess as always, but took just the wheel to Walmart to have just a valve stem put in it. And granted, I got there at like 15 minutes before they closed, but that's when it broke on me. So I got there, just the wheel off the truck, took the wheel with me in another vehicle, and one guy walking around the shop, and they didn't have time to do it that night. 15 minutes until they closed, with a hydraulic tire changer. I just did this with a manual tire changer, pulling the wheel off the vehicle, included in that time, in 7.5 minutes. So I feel sorry for anybody that takes their vehicle to a shop that has subpar employees. Anyway, it's just my little rant. I'm frustrated about it, but at least I know it's done right, and it's done now. So just need to torque these wheels down, lower it down off the jack, and we'll be good. All right, see y'all later.